All right, we are live. Hey, you guys, welcome to the stream. How are you all doing? All right, so the plan for today, let's see. We are going to build a Twitch clone, but for coders, right? A Twitch for coders. So let's create a repo. We'll call it, I don't know, Livecoder seems good, right? Livecoders. Livecoders. What should I call it? Livecoders or Livecoder? Yeah, Livecoder seems good. Let's create Livecoders repo and let's create a readme file as well. Readme.md. All right. No, it should open up right in this window. How do I do that? Dash P? No. Mm, no man, I have been streaming. Actually, I don't know. I think I did not stream yesterday, or did I? Let me check. And yeah, I have been inconsistent, but hey, welcome to the stream anyway. How are you doing? So yeah, I did stream yesterday, but it was for I think only 2 hours. Mm, learning Korean. Ah, this was coming. I knew this was coming. How's it going, man? How are you learning? What is your approach to learn languages? I tried to learn Spanish once, but I don't know. I just downloaded that app, what is it called? DuoLearn, and started learning. But oh, you started a course learning Korean philosophy and culture. Nice, nice. I think you told me about this earlier as well. Mm, reuse window. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. Reuse window. Great. Wait, did it open? No, it did not. Good luck. Thanks, thanks. Korean philosophy and culture. Code will be available on, yeah, it will be available on GitHub. It will be totally open source. And right now I'm just creating the repo. So I'll be pushing all the codes right from the beginning. Attach session dash. All right, so I created, let me open up code readme commands. No, actually, yeah, the commands are working, but I have to start the server. So here, wait, let me give you the demo of that app that I built. CD code stuff, web apps, remote learners version 3, cd into All right, so I will have to start both client and server. Npm start client. While it is starting, let me start code stuff, web stuff, remote learners, version 3, server, npm start. Wait a minute. Let it start, then the commands will work. And the commands, I did not create the command. I think I did. I don't remember. Let me check. Let me check if I created it or not. Yeah, done. But I have yet to submit the quiz. I don't know if I can submit it because I think I missed some questions. I don't know. I will be submitting it soon. New window, open recent. Twitch bot. Oops. Yeah, you do have this bot commands, but yeah, it will work. Let's try it. Commands. See, it works. Commands works. And here is the web app. Let it start. Might take a second. So this is the front end. Now you can create your tasks. See, these are the 3 tasks. I created it myself. This data dev task, MongoDB and Node.js. So let me try. See, whoever created the last task will have his or her window at the top, right? So let me create my own task now. Remote, I don't know, task, build live coders, right? So if I refresh it, see the window, Sahil Vasa's window is on the top now, and build live coders is on the top. Now I can mark it as done as well. Remote done. Wait, I will have to first get the ID. So the ID for live coders is, let's mark remote done. Let's mark this task, latest task, as done. So 11. Now if I refresh it, see, it is done, right? And it will be on the top. This is backend, both backend and front end. So right now what you are seeing is the front end part. It is built with React. I mean, yeah, React is an overkill, but I know. And CSS part is done with, I mean, the UI part is done with Bulma. There is this framework, Bulma, which I like. So that's what I used. And the backend is done with Node.js, as you know already. I use this framework for building this web page. So I have not pushed this project yet to any hosting platform. So it is right now only available on my local repo. Balma. Yeah, it is. It is. Balma. So I'm also cleaning up my older project that I showed you. This one, remote learner. So I have not pushed the latest code yet, but once I push it, it will be totally workable. I'm refactoring the code for this app, and yeah, basically I'm building the projects for my portfolio so that I can get a fucking job. Job in JS or Python? I don't know. I mean, see, I will be doing some coding problem stuff in Python, but mostly the web jobs are in JS, so I'll be getting a JS job. As you know, I started learning Python framework Django, but I was like, why learn this when there are many jobs in JS? And I knew JS. I mean, I have built this project, so I thought, why not go with JavaScript for the job. So that's what I'm aiming for, to get a full stack web job. I mean, not full stack, mostly back end job, because I don't really like front end part that much, but it's okay. I mean, to get a good portfolio, you need a nice UI. I can just build APIs, so that's why I'm just building this UIs in Bulma so that it is presentable. Yeah. So that's what I'm aiming for, and that's what I will be focusing on for next 2 or 3 months. I've been doing this course as well. Not a course, but yeah, it is a course. This one, MIT 60006. It is an algorithms course. Basically, I'm brushing up on my algo skills. So I think I'm almost done with 9 lectures. No, 10 lectures. I'm done with 10 lectures. Here you go. So once I'm done with all the lectures, I will be doing some implementation stuff of these algorithms. So I did learn all these algos in college. I mean, I did attend the algorithms class, but yeah, I mean, it is a bit rusty for me. So, and this course is good. I mean, it is very, very technical. I mean, these guys teach like you are an MIT student or something. You have to keep your focus. That is one YT. What's that? YT channel. Oh, which one? For algorithms. By the way, I'm stopping the server for this. So let me know if you want to test it out or not. Wait, what happened? Components is assigned but never used. Yeah. Just warning. Alright. So I'm stopping this server. And yeah, I will be pushing this code for on a hosting platform so that it will be live forever. I mean, not forever, but you know what I'm talking about. For now, it is good. Alright. By the way, which channel are you talking about? YT channel. Alright. So what is the... Let's write a description. I'm searching for it. Okay, alright. I will wait. It's a legendary Indian. Oh yeah, I think I know which channel you're talking about. The two guys who started the channel, right? The Indian guys. I think one guy died recently. Not recently, but 1 or 2 years ago. One dead. Yeah. I know. I watched some videos. I mean, they are awesome. Let me see. I think the name was Code or something. Code. Quincy Lanson. Yeah. He said the course, the algorithm course on free code camp as well. Let me find it out. Algorithm and data structures in C++. Where is it? This course, I think it is this course, but the channel is, let me see, the channel should be in the top. I think it should be somewhere here, but yeah, the course is this one. My code school, yeah, my code school, this channel. Yeah, it is this one, my code school. And I think I watched is this pointer series, pointer and C and C++, but in C++. Yeah, right. So you need to have some understanding of C, at least C, because it's not going too much into C++. Like he's mostly sticking to the C part, so it's good. If you know some C, I mean, if you have some this understanding of pointers, then you'll be good. I watched this series, pointers, and I think I watched this data structure series as well, but not the whole series. Now you know JS, Python anymore. Uh, what do you mean by that? You mean, do I know any other languages? Is that what you are asking? Yeah, so I don't say I know, but yeah, I can work in it. If someone gives me a project to do in Python, I'll get it done. I mean, the code won't be, too much clean as per the code Python documentation, but I can code in Python and JavaScript both. So there's that, and I can code in C as well. I mean, if you give me any project, but I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm like that, if you give me any project in any language, I will just learn it on the fly and build the project. But one thing that I'm not sure about is Rust, because the syntax of Rust is quite complicated. So, but for now, I'll be focusing on these two languages only for now. But the next one that, you know, it will be it, it will be either C++ or Go, the next language. Let's see. But for now, JS. Read me. I in fact watch a tutorial, 4 hours long tutorial on JS. This one by Amigo Code, because I forgot some of the concepts, so I had to brush up some concepts. I watched this course, beginner to advanced. I skipped to the advanced part because most of the beginner part is, I mean, it is similar to Python, so I knew it, but I wanted to brush up some import skills of modules, related modules and classes. So I watched this one. Amigo means friend. Yeah, I know. Amigo. Link. Wait. This one. I think this was the only course I found which went up to advanced. Because all this course, I think this one, I don't know if it went up to advanced or not. This is for beginners, so it doesn't cover all the advanced concept, but this was good, I think. So I just watched it in 2x. Right, so Livecoder, a live streaming web application built for coders. So what are the to-dos? I will be building front end. Like Twitch. So see, in OBS you have to just place a link, to the place where you want to stream. So I mean, I'm creating a platform. See, I'm not sure how it will work exactly. I mean, I watched one. I will not watch. I read one blog post on live streaming app, but I'm not really sure how it will work. So we'll figure it out. And let me block this bot. So yeah, see, in OBS there is this setting. In the stream option, you have to provide a stream key, right? You have to provide a server where you want to send the live streaming data, right? So once I'm done with this app, I can provide the link to this app. This people, yeah, man, yeah. These bots. Uh, do you know if Streamlabs has this functionality of bots or not? I mean, see, I don't know if it had. When do you know how usually the streamers create bots? I mean, do they create their own bots or do they use the services like Streamlabs to create bots? Because I had this idea of creating bots for streamers, different kind of bots like this banning bots or something. I don't know. I think Streamlabs does have bots, front and back end. So I'm not also sure which database I'm going to use for the backend services, then updating code online. What do you mean by that? Services, then updating code on live in front of viewer. I'm not sure what do you mean by that. I think you are talking about a feature for this app, right? Like coders. But what do you mean by code on live, updating code on live? Backend. Bots are updated. Hmm. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What do you mean by that? I mean, you mean the bots, the idea for bots, updating code online. Give me an example. So for the backend part, what will be having? Live streaming functionality to fetch live streaming data from OBS or any other streaming software. Front end will be super simple for now. It will just show the front end, the live stream. But see, what I'm aiming for the front end part. Oh wait, this course, you're doing this course, right? Korean philosophy and culture. Basis. Yeah, I know you're talking about MVP, but I'm not sure what kind of feature you are talking about. I mean, I didn't get your this example, like updating code live in front of yours. It would be good if you can give me an example or something. Introduction to, okay, this is Korean philosophy and culture, but will it teach you the language as well? Are you learning about culture or just a language? Language. Oh, it will teach the language as well. Nice. Nice, nice. Keep it up. So much to learn, man. So much to learn. So much. So many things to learn. Culture and philosophy only, not language. Oh, all right, all right. So yeah, I was saying that what I'm aiming for is for the front end part. I mean, it will have a functionality where it will show this kind of thumbnails for all the live channels, right? And it will have a filter kind of, so kind of a search bar, but it will have filter for different content, like for let's say Node.js or Mongo or Python. So it will be super specific to coders. And once you click on this thumbnail, it will open up a single page, just like Twitch. So the clone, it will basically a clone of Twitch anyway, because I have zero designing skills. Right. All right. Show all live channel. A page just for a specific channel. Figure out what kind of database to use, and also what kind of models do you need to create, right? What kind of models do you need to create? So for this, two options are either PostgreSQL or MongoDB. So I'm not sure which will be an apt database for this, but yeah, that is one of the to do that we'll have to figure out. What kind of models do you need to create? And another thing is, do I need to store the live stream. I mean, yeah, definitely I can't store it. It will be huge. I will have to buy a paid service for that. I'm not sure how to make it, but we'll figure it out. So let's see. Let me push this repo to GitHub. Gh repo create what? Not a, oh, okay. Get init. Live coders. Can I contribute and how? I don't know. Just give me some ideas. Give me some ideas for now. I mean, it is open source, so you can just pull it and you know make some changes any way you want. It is totally open source. So, but right now I can think of if you can give me some ideas like for features. I am I have some ideas for only basic features now, which are almost a rip-off from Twitch. But yeah, live coders. Pull it and put dot. This. Yeah, your wish. You can do that. You can edit my readme. Live streaming. Platform. Description. Oh, okay. Live streaming. I should just copy this. Oops. What the hell? A live streaming web application built for coders. It will be a public repo. This will add an origin get remote to your local resource. Yeah, do that. Get status. All right, so let's add git add. Let me first create a git ignore file as well. Git ignore. In the git ignore file, first thing we'll be ignoring is .env. Git add dot. Git commit initial commit. All right, now the repo should be live. Let me check. GitHub site Wasawa, it should be on live coders. No, it won't be because I gave a complicated name. I shouldn't have gave. Oh fuck, I shouldn't get given this kind of name. Can I change it? Let me get rid of this long name. Edit on website. What do you mean by that? Edit on website. Oh, rename. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Get status. Do I need to? So if I do get pull, get remote dash v. Okay. So this is a problem now. How to change remote repo in local repo after changing the name of remote repo. Just pull it back. New. Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. Okay, let me delete this repo then. rm-rf livecoders. Should I delete it? Yeah, let's delete it. And now get clone or get pull. I don't know. How do I? So do I need to clone it? No. Okay, then how do I pull this then? Clone it. Alright. Yeah, I know how to clone it, but live coders. Get remote dash v. Alright, so can I get status? So let me edit something. Yeah. Thanks for the help. Code read me. Open. Just fucking open it. Code dot dash r. Linux attach session dash t. Alright, so code readme. Get no man, no. I totally don't know how to work with Git. I mean, I just know some few commands. I think you might have done some course or something, right? I've not done any course, so I totally noob in case of Git. And thanks for that. Thanks for helping me. Git push, yeah. If we can add Twitch website functionality and OBS settings together. I don't know. I mean, then you are talking about creating. See, I mean, even Twitch has this functionality, right? Where you can just start streaming You don't need OBS for that. Yeah, I figured. I mean, you can use Twitch without OBS, I think. I don't know. I mean, it does provide a functionality, I guess, too. But I don't know. Even Streamlabs is built using OBS. I mean, OBS is not a simple. It's free for 2 days, by the way, for Indian. What do you mean? This course? Are you talking about this course or the functional? Yeah, I was saying that even OBS is not a very simple application, it is a complicated one. And so, I mean, we can provide some functionality like Twitch and YouTube does provide that kind of functionality. And even Streamlabs is built upon OBS, I guess, because OBS is an open source project. And I think it is built using C, either C or C++. I'm not sure. OBS. Slops. What is that? Slops. See, it is built using C. And it uses this I think package Ffmpeg. You can even stream using this package only, you know. You don't need even OBS Studio for that. Streamlabs. Yeah, right. Slops. Streamlabs OBS. You can stream using Ffmpeg only. So it is kind of a command line tool. I mean, it doesn't provide UI, I guess, Ffmpeg, but you can stream using this library only. It is a kind of a multi-purpose tool. You can edit your videos also. You can add audio and some. It is totally command line, I guess. It's a collection of libraries and tools to process multimedia content. Oh, let's not go down that rabbit hole. But all right, so now that we have pushed the code, Livecoders, right? Seems good. Now where should we start? Let's try to find a tutorial or something. How to build a live streaming app with Node. Node.js and React. Nice. Live stream. I've been researching this socket.io. I don't know if socket.io is useful here or not. You are not using WebRTC here. Get user is part of navigator. What the hell is this? Let's check another tutorial. Web server with Rtmp server. Yeah. So I was talking about this. You have to create an Rtmp server, right? And once you create an Rtmp server, you can just pass that key or that URL to OBS, and from then on, OBS can send the data to this server, and you can do whatever you want with this data. You can send it to the front end and show it to the user. I mean, I'm not sure about the whole process, but we'll figure it out. That is the reason why I chose this project, because I don't know how to do it. If I had chosen some easy project, then it wouldn't have kept my motivation for long. Because I don't know how to do it, I think my motivation will be intact. So what are they doing here? Big crypt node. Okay, they started a server. And what is this? Passport for authentication. All right. Oh yeah, this is what I was looking for. Real-time messaging protocol, full form of Rtmp, was designed for high performance transmission of video, audio, and data between broadcaster and server. Broadcaster. So by broadcaster they mean kind of like OBS is kind of a broadcaster software, and many other sites who offer live streaming accepts Rtmp streams and transcodes them into HTTP streams. Oh, so we'll have to use this module, Node Media Server. So for that we'll need Ffmpeg. I think we already have Ffmpeg because we are on Linux. Ffmpeg, yeah, we do have it. It recommends 4.4 4.x version. What version are we using then? What? Four point 2.4. Okay, so this is good enough for Node Media Server. If you don't have, we already have it. If you are on Windows, you can download. No, we are not on Windows. What is this? Default a configuration for Ffmpeg. All right, change Ffmpeg value to your own installation. Okay, we'll do that. We'll have to install this. All right, let's install this module. Before we do that, let's create two folders. mkdir, one for server, another one for client. All right, and let's go inside server. First I will have to create a node repo, so let's do npm init. It creates a Node.js repo. Right, package name server, yeah, version whatever, server for live streaming platform. Entry point index.js is fine. No, we don't want a test command. Git repo, no, we don't have a separate git repo for that. Keywords, author me, license, yes. All right, we have package.json now. So if we open up this package.json, we should have this. Now let's install that command node. All right, we need to install many packages. So first one will be express. What happened? Express. What else do we need? Nodemon. No, we'll install it separately. Express. No, node media server will need course. We'll need Morgan. Morgan should be, yeah, it's all right. What else do we need? Yeah, this is it. Enough for now. Let's install these things. All right, so we have this dependencies and index.js. We need a index.js file as well. This will be the entry point. Okay, so it created index.js. Right. So we'll use the ES6 index for import. Import express from wow. All right, so for ES6 syntax to be usable with Node.js, how to use ES6 syntax ES6 with Node.js. I will have to install Babel. Babel is kind of compiler, or I don't know. .env, yeah, that's also another thing that we need. .env. Oh, reset and class properties. Reset env allows you to use latest JavaScript without needing to micromanage with syntax transforms and optionally browser. Oh, I don't know. And I will have to create a Babel RC. Let's create new file .babel rc. I should have a boilerplate starter project kind of, so that I don't have to set up all these things. I can just get started with doing the real work. All right. I'm not sure if I should install this one or not. I will leave it for now. Let me copy this in Babel RC. I will have to remove this plugins. All right. And I need to change package.json. I need a start script. Start script, and what this will do is just call nodemon and start index.js. Oh, come on. All right. All right. And now I think this syntax should be usable now. Okay, what do I need to watch? File changes with node monitor. Oh, I need to add this thing as well. Node.json. The blog post that I read earlier, I mean, yeah, I think it was this one. It was simple. This guy is making it much more complicated. Let me try to find that particular article in my history. ES6. Okay, I found the article that I was looking for. It is this one. Right. I did install these three things, I guess. Right. So I installed Babel core and Babel CLI and Babel preset in, but I did not install Babel node. So let's do that. No. And after that, preset in the Babel RC preset, Babel preset in V node mon. Oh, okay. So I should add exact Babel node. This is the only thing that I need to add in the package.json. What is this? There's too many changes. I know. Alright, so it should work now. Let's try to first start the server. Okay. Express import from this. So that's why it is giving this error. I should not use quotes around this. And it should be fine now. Alright. So let's go back to the article on this one. So after I have installed Node Media Server, add this code config pre-publish get stream key from stream path. See, this is how it works. I will have to copy this kind of rtmp key, rtmp url and key. So he is using MongoDB. Alright, but he's using MongoDB just for storing the username, email, password, and stream key. Let me read it from the start. Alright. Okay, this guy built a chat room, but that's not what we are after. Mm, 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 mm. Video streaming. Okay, so he's not creating really a live streaming app, just a video streaming app. But that's not what we are after. So let's close this. Let's focus on this tutorial. Alright, we'll need Axios. I'm not sure why we'll need Axios. I think he is creating the front end in the same project. That's why he's using, yeah, that's why he's using Axios, but we won't be needing it. So let's see where he's using Axios. Axios is kind of like a package. It is a package to do request. So it is like a request package in Python. Alright, so yeah, as I guessed, it is being used in the client part. And he is using React for the front end, which is nice. So why was he using EJS templates then if he is creating the front end? This is, I don't know. All right, all right. So that means we won't need Axios for now. We'll install it later. But bcrypt Node.js, yeah, we'll use this. It is a library for getting keys or something. I don't know, for creating generating keys. Body parser, bootstrap, config, connect, ensure login, connect plus, cookie parser, express session, mongoose, passport. I'm not sure if I should use mongoose or not. What kind of, has anyone created a video for Twitch architecture? What kind of architecture are these guys using? How is Twitch built? Twitch clone, yeah, in React. Nobody is talking about the architecture. Twitch backend architecture built. Yeah, live streaming architecture. Netflix. Oh, video processing at scale. Nice. This is what I was looking for. Scalable. Okay, what do they mean by scalable? I mean, what do I need to learn to build a scalable web application? I don't know. That's what I want to do as well. Let's watch the first video. This is what I was looking for, kind of. I think this is not what we need. No, he's talking about the flow for the Twitch, not Twitch, the streamers. So my camera, publisher software, Rtmp server, and viewer. Maybe this is what we need. Which system design? So he's not really talking about the software architecture, the backend architecture. He's talking about the overall, the high level architecture. You can hear? Oh, wait, do you want to hear as well? I don't know. Wait. So I think I have not set it up so that you can also hear it right now. Yeah, right. That's probably why I have not set it up. And so now that I got this mic, I need to change some settings in my audio drivers to, to transfer the audio from this desktop as well, which I have not done yet. I'm lazy to do that, and I think I tried to do it like the usual way, but your voice is perfect. All right, yeah, thanks. And yeah, it is perfect, but I'm talking about this audio. So the thing is the playback. So if I play it right now, it is playing on built-in audio, so it is going on built-in audio. But I have this another thing set up, simultaneous audio, but it's not working for this new mic. It was working for this mic, but yeah, and even in fact, this is not the video that I'm looking for. I want to check the design of the Twitch, like how Twitch is designed. I think we should check this one, real-time data processing. Mm, no, this is not what I am looking for. Netflix, not really. Nobody is talking about data streaming or video streaming, live streaming architecture. What the hell? Wait. I should look for Rtmp system design Node.js. Maybe something good will come up. Oh, Rtmp load balancing. Let's check this video. I like this channel. So if you want to learn backend stuff, this channel is kind of gold. You know, this guy is awesome. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, so this is what they mean when, creating a scalable web application. So he's creating two servers, a load balancer, so that, when there are thousands of users, the load can be balanced between two servers. Like, wow, I should learn this stuff. Node Media Server. Is going to use Node.js. This is the model that we will be using. Node Media Server. Hmm. Hmm. That's it. Oh, this is awesome. You know what? Let's just create a server and then we'll see. So let's open Node Media Server, Node Media Server npm. Okay, how does he brought food? Great, great, man. Oh, it's almost 1 p.m. I have not had the breakfast or the lunch yet. Okay, Mongo Connect. What are you having for the lunch, by the way? So this is how he creates the server, right? But all right, and how does he create the Rtmp server then? Where is he creating it? Yeah, config default.js. All right, and after that, he creates a new file media server.js and he starts the server. And first he exports it. All right. And legends don't eat. Legends don't eat like me. I haven't had breakfast or brunch. Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's what I have as well. I don't usually eat breakfast. I just have tea for breakfast. I mean, and I just have brunch because nowadays I'm kind of waking up late. Dal, sabji, rice, and curd. Yum, yum. All right, all right. Okay, so yeah, this is how he runs it. He brings it on. Right, right. Ultra no for yeah, right. You know, have you heard about this Baba? Is kind of he never eats, like he hasn't ate for I don't know how much. This Baba who doesn't eat. He's from Gujarat, I think. Who doesn't eat? Yeah, this one, Prahlad Jani. He has got a Wikipedia page. That's one. Indian Breatharian monk who claimed to have lived without food and water since 1940. This is insane. Ultra fucking legend. No, wait, no. He saves a lot of time. And some yogis are kind of, they don't even sleep. They don't need sleep. Yeah, but they do need to meditate. So this or that. There's no free time. Right. Okay, so I have an idea how we can create this app now. So let's create a server, app.listen. Const app is equal to express. Oh, come on. App.listen. I think first is port. So for port, constant port equal to, either we'll get a port from process.env dot port, and now that we are using this, I remember that I need to install npm.env npm. This is the package that we need for env dot env. Okay. All right, and now I need to write this at the top. Common JS to ES6 online. Is there a transpiler or a compiler online which can generate ES6 syntax? How can I write it? It seems I can't even write anything here. Why can't I type anything? Oh, okay. No, fuck it. So I was looking for, a syntax for this in ES6. Do you know? Data dev, how to convert this into ES6? I'm not sure. Dot config. Yeah, whatever. And after that, all right. And the default port will be port 3000 for the server. No, let's have 4000 for the server. So we'll be running the client on the 3000 port, and we need to pass the port here, and this callback function will be called when the server has been started. So So we'll just log this console app listening. All right. So now I think it should be fine. Let's start the server. Okay, npm start. Let's see what errors we get. Oh, of course. I think I have not installed NodeMon yet. Yeah, this is the reason. NodeMon npm install NodeMon. Should it be a dev dependency? Yeah. Alrighty, let's start it. Let us start it. Alright, basic server up and running. While we are at it, let's also import Morgan and course. Import Morgan from Morgan, import course from course, and middle west, not wars, west. App dot use, not unsubscribe, app dot use course, app dot use. How do we use Morgan? Morgan is a logging library. Right. Tiny. Right. Okay, this is how it should be used. By the way, do I need to pass it like this? Alright. And Morgan, make it tiny. Alright. If I restart it, we are getting this nice Morgan messages. Okay, alright. So let's push this code. .vs code. Let's add .vs code. .vs code. dot include dot env dot vs code. All right. Okay, let's do get add dot. Oh, come on, Git takes this much time. Git commit dash m basic express server setup. Oh fuck, I need to include node modules as well. Damn. It will be pushing all the node modules as well. So how do I exclude node modules? I will have to check my previous project. What do I need to write? In a present. Where is get ignored? Okay. Node modules. Okay. How to remove files from it and get and apply new dot get ignore rules. Cached. I have some files should be ignored. Oh, come on, this does not work. All right, let's do this then. Okay, so it removed all the files. Get add. I need to add all of them again. And this time it should not include the node modules, hopefully. Oh, come on. Get status. Get commit dash M basic server setup as dropped node modules from get. Alright, so let's post this new change. What? It installed node modules. I said exclude it. What in the fuck's hell? Okay, I think we did not get. Oh, 1 minute. This did not work. Do I have to do everything again? And if I do get add again, I think this rule is not working properly. It is searching for node modules in the root directory. I think that is the case, but it worked in this case, right? Or did it? Client. No, it's because the git ignore was inside server. Okay, I see. I see. So git status. Let me move this git ignore inside server and maybe it will work then. Yes, move it please. .env .vs code, and inside this Livecoders also have .get ignore. Okay, no. Copy, paste. Not here. Outside. Okay. And in this, I mean, yeah, I could just write a different rule which will include the node modules, but it's good to have a different git ignore inside server as well. So I will keep it. All right. That's medium. Let me do get cache. And now if I add Deleted. Great, that's what we needed. Now I can do get commit basic. Okay. Lol. Wait. So let's push the new code now. Yeah, we got rid of node modules folder. Nice. All right, and I think I'm gonna take a break now. I'm gonna have a break for the lunch, and I'll continue after this. All right, then I will see you guys in the next stream just after lunch. I'm gonna stop this stream and restart it again later. All right. I don't know. Maybe I should keep it. Yeah, let's keep it running. I am going to take a lunch break now. I'll be right back. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay, so we pushed the code last time. This one, basic setup. Now let's see. Let's create the Rtmp server now. And for that, Node media server. I need to create a config. So inside server, let's create a folder named config, and inside that default.js. All right, so it seems that he's using we'll call this file node media server.js. Now nms config.js. Okay, this is the config that they suggest. Rtmp port 1935 default port. Okay, it also creates an http server. All right, and if I look at this blog post, what is the secret? Yeah, whatever. So we'll create this Rtmp server config. This is http port Ffmpeg. Okay, so this official documentation doesn't suggest to use Ffmpeg. Alright, so I think this is not just for them. Plugin is not just for live streaming. We can serve files as well, I guess. Publishing live streams. Ffmpeg. Alright. Let's look at this tutorial. Excuse me. So he also did not include Ffmpeg config. Do I need to include it or not? Okay, let's not include it and let's see what happens. right? So let's create a config module.exports is equal to right. Let me copy this Rtmp server up to this. And let's comment this for now. Right, so Rtmp server. Now that we have config, we need to create inside server, we need to create the file for the Rtmp server, media server. Yeah, we'll call it media server as well. New file, media server.js. All right, and in this media server we need to import node media server and the config. All right, node media server and config. So let's do that. Import node media server from why doesn't it give me auto config auto complete? Did I not install this package node media server? Of course I have it. It should give me autocomplete now. What is the issue? Oh, it is because I have this. Should I do this? Maybe it will work. Okay, how about now? How can I import? I really don't know how to use import and export ESN syntax. Import export. Let me choose ES6. How do I import something which contains a hyphen? Should I just use underscore? I don't know. Let's see if it works or not. I don't know. It seems it worked. We'll see. We'll see. After that, we need to include the config. Let's import config as well. Import config from it is inside config slash let's not call it nms config because we might have other configs inside. Let's rename this to default. Oh, did it not work? Default. Okay, it worked. All right. And now to start the media server, I have to call it like this. That's it. I just need to get nms is equal to new node media server. All right, and I will pass the config here. Okay, wait, but I can't pass the whole config. .rtmp server. Right, and I think I should just module.export it because I won't be starting the server from here. What is this? On pre-publish, get stream key. I don't know. Let's just run it. So import node media from media. Oh, I spelled import incorrectly. Okay, after I have done this, right, after calling the middleware, so we will do wait up. I need to call run. So node media server dot run, and if everything was correct, we should have an Rtmp server up and running, hopefully. How do I know that? It should log this, isn't it? Oh yeah, we have Rtmp server running on 1935 and HTTP 88888. Okay, let's see what is at 8888 port. Local host 8888. Did I write 8888 in the configs? Yeah, I did, didn't I? Nothing. Nice. It provides a nice dashboard. I like it. By the way, I don't really like 8888. Let's change this to 80,000. Alright, so now the server should be at 8,000. Okay, so I need to stream, but right now I can't stream from OBS because I already am streaming. So I think I will have to download Streamlabs OBS, another broadcasting software, to test this. Let me download Streamlabs OBS. Oh damn, it's going to mess up my system. Definitely. Running two streaming softwares at once. I don't know if I can even do that. Wait, right, so Windows, no, not Windows. Is there a version for Linux? Let's check the GitHub. I think I did download it. Do I have to develop it? Can I not get a version already? Let's check. I don't know. Actions, wiki, security. No. Streamlabs for Linux. It doesn't work on Linux. Oh wait, I think I can add a channel in the service that I'm using, which is Restream. But I cannot add a custom channel, it seems, and I definitely cannot do that while the stream is running. So I need to use this. Is there another OBS? Oh wait, what if I run OBS inside a virtual machine just to test it? Alternatives. FF screencast. Oh yeah, you know what? We can just use a simple command line tool. Let's check this one, FF screencast. Do they have a website or something? Official website. Clone it. All right. Let's install this one. Okay. FF screencast. Mm, Dash FF screencast. What do we have here? Oh, which should be inside bin. Cannot open display. Why? Is it because I'm already doing the streaming from OBS? All I want to do is just stream to this Rtmp server. How can I do that? How do I use it? Alright, so these are all the devices. Screen 1, screen devices. Alright, I think we can't do live streaming with this. I don't know. Let's see. Live stream with, what is the name? FF screencast. FF screencast. Maybe I can just live stream with Ffmpeg. No. Can I even do live stream? Can I do live stream using this software? Features, screen recording. Sorry, I muted the mic. Mm, hmm. I think we can't do live streaming using this software. Fuck. Mm, let me remove it. It's useless. Hmm. Right. So now what will what should we use? The only alternative was this one, Streamlabs. Okay, so I can use this. Let me log in. Maybe I can use Streamlabs from the browser itself. I don't know how that will work, but let's see. Log in. All right. Alright, so I'm logged into Streamlabs, but I think I cannot stream from this. Let me check. Oh, there's this app called Melon. It is a web-based live streaming app. Nice. Nice. Let's try it out. Share screen. Screen 1. Alright. No, wait. But how am I supposed to use this to test? This is just for then our app has no use in this case. What the hell am I doing with this app? Let me cancel it. Nope, this app is not useful, at least to us. We just need a broadcasting software. I don't think this app can be used as a broadcasting software, right? Nope, we cannot. Okay, what should we do now? Maybe I should just spin up the Windows, you know, or virtual box and live stream from there. Maybe that's what I should do. But wait, uh, local host. Then how will I access the local host? I can't do that from virtual box, can I? I don't know. I hope there was a way to use Streamlabs in Linux. This application currently supports only OS and OS X and Windows. Is there no other alternative, man? XN. Huh. Real-time recording. This is just for Windows. I want one for Linux. I hope there was a way to do the live stream from just from Ffmpeg. Oh yes, use Ffmpeg as HLS streaming server. So if I read this, it says here that, where is it? Real time Twitch, Facebook, Rtmp streams and transcodes them into HTTP. It accepts Rtmp streams. How to generate Rtmp stream using Ffmpeg. I would like to test my streaming infrastructure. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. Has test src you can use as a test source input stream. Huh. All right. This is great. Let's use this. But I will have to change this localhost. What should be the URL for streaming? Live. All right. Live localhost 1935. All right, let us test it out. It seems to be working. Something is happening. How do I check if it is working or not? Oh, okay, I should check the server now. Oh, we are getting something, isn't it? We have some connection and stream. Nice. We are getting something. Great. We have our Rtmp server up and running. This is nice. Ah, okay, so I should be able to see this as well. Can I do that? Nope. I don't have the link that he has. Now why is that? He's able to watch it, but I'm not able to watch. Why? Okay, I should provide a name, I think. I don't know. Oh, come on. How can I provide a name? Mm, Okay, so the server is running, but I'm not able to see the live stream. Alright, why would I receive input error with test SRC? Okay, if I check this node server, uh, live stream, this is where I should stream, I guess. If I check this blog post, what is he doing? Let's see. Right. Okay, he just did live. Okay, it seems that it is logging the stream, live stream, but why can't I see the stream? Maybe I should just provide a name. Now, how do I do that? Provide a name to the stream. Let me turn off this stream. And I don't know. Ffmpeg help. Can I provide a name? How can I provide a name? Codec name, preset name, file name. If I check the stream again, it should be off now. We shouldn't be getting the stream. Rtmp is 0. And we have 0 streams here, right? Let's turn it on again. And we should get the output here. Yeah, we're getting it. But I can't open it up. Why? Node media server can't see the live stream from Ffmpeg. Right. What I'm missing is just a single flag, but I don't know which flag I should be using. So we have this, right? Ffmpeg dash R. I don't know what any of this means. Dash I is probably the source. So we are just using test src is the source, right? Alright, so what if I use this dev video as the source, right? cd into tools, cd into app screencast, right? CD. Okay, this will show me all the screens. So if I use this dev video 0, it should stream. Let me try it out. Let me close it and let's change I. So let's change test source with /dev /video 0, and let's see what happens. No such filter, right? Oh, you can try to do it from VLC as well. Oh, let's try to use it from VLC then. Let's start this server. VLC. One 1935. Where is VLC? Okay. VLC takes a hell lot of time to open up. And with everything that is running right now. Oh, come on, just open it up, man. Just open it up. Oh, nice. So now media, network, Rtmp. That is how it works, right? Rtmp, localhost, right? Rtmp, localhost 1935/live/test. Does it work? It doesn't seem to be working. I don't know. Is the stream online? Yes, it is. Oh, wait. Let me change this to just live. Oh, it is working. So this is the test screen, test stream that we are getting. Great. So we have our Rtmp server up and running. See? And if I turn it off, it will stop the stream. We will stop getting the stream. Right? It should stop getting the stream now. Yeah, it stopped. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So what is the next thing? Now that we have a server up and running, Rtmp server, what should we do? We can access the stream from web as well using this stream. So let me start the stream again. Where is localhost? API/streams. Okay. Okay. So now if I call this, cannot get it. So it just gives us this. It just says that our live stream is running. Alright, so that part was easy, kind of. Now let's see how to make it work with the web application. I will have to read this port. So what is he doing now? Let's read the post from the top down. I have been working. Alright, so you build your web server with basic authentication, setting up an Rtmp server in Node.js, displaying live stream, issuing streaming keys to broadcasters, and generating live stream thumbnails. A web server with basic authentication. Alright, so why is he using EJS though? We have bootstrap modules, alright, middlewares, passport, local. Okay, he's using local strategy, so he'll be creating the password by himself. I mean, using this bcrypt, I guess. So user find one. Let's generate the hash of the password and save the user. So this is the local strategy. He created a database, username, email, password, and stream key. Okay, is he creating the stream key when creating a new user? Yeah, it seems he is short id.generate. What is short id? It is a module. Alright. Is it a third party module or is he creating it? Short id. I don't know. Short id. Okay, you must be creating it. You must be using a third-party module, I guess. Short ID. Maybe it is available in Express as a built-in module. Maybe. Let's see. Do we have it? Require short. No. Import short ID from short ID. Oh, we do have it inside modules. Alright, so it must be a built-in module. Let's get rid of it for now. And let's see. So after creating a user like this is the schema. Alright. What is this? Generate stream key will generate a unique string that we will issue to user as the streaming key. Okay. Alright. Generate hash, generate stream key. Let's initialize passport. Alright. Also register these routes in the app.js file. So we create a login route. What it will do is connect ensure login, ensure logged out, render login with user null. Okay, so he's using this middleware module for logging in. And I think this callback function will only be called when this module fails. For register, he's using the same module for register. I don't know. So no, for register is using passport.authenticate. We are using EJS templating engine for login at register. Alright. Okay, that was it for the server part. I mean, not for the server, the login and register part. And for the Rtmp server part, which we already did, we have it running. Change Ffmpeg value. We are running Windows. Okay. What does this do? Republish. Usage is pretty straightforward. It runs an Rtmp server and lets you listen to connection events. You can reject an incoming connection if a streaming key is invalid. Oh, so that's why this is here. On pre-publish, it gets the stream path, stream key. Next part. All right, for now we are accepting all incoming connection on default 1935. Now all we have to do is import nms and run it, right? Before we do anything, let me copy this whole command and let me save it so that I have it available for use. Command to run to stream a broadcast to command broadcast using Ffmpeg. What just happened? To open the preview. Okay, and now let's read on. You can leave stream key empty. Okay, so we can access this API to get the live stream. Later on, we'll use this API in our front-end React app to show live streaming users. Our backend is pretty much ready. It is a working streaming server. However, we'll still need to validate incoming Rtmp connection to ensure that only authenticated users are accepted. Alright, for that, we inside the pre-publish event listener, we do this find one stream key. If the user with that stream key is available, then we start the session. No, if the user is not available, then we reject the session. Oh, okay. Else what? Okay, that was it for backend part. For displaying live streams. For this part, we'll be working in the client directory. Alright. Add this webpack config to your project. We don't need to. We are using React Router for routing and Bootstrap. Video.js for displaying live streams. Video.js. Root components renders a route to hold these three sub route components live stream. Render video.js player components, and settings component will provide an interface for generating a new streaming key. Nice. Create live stream component, and okay, inside it so after component did mount, we are calling get live streams. It talks with Rtmp Server. Okay. Get stream info. Live stream is equal to response.data. Live stream, and how are we using live stream? Live stream map to the stream username. All right. Okay. JSON.pass request.query streams. These thumbnails are linked to the individual pages where HLS streams are played. In the end, we are rendering live streams with, okay. This is video player component, and inside this we call user. Okay. We are using short ID module for generating unique strings. Cron job to generate new thumbnails for live stream every 5 seconds. Nice. I like it. Spawned. We are passing streaming key. It spawns a detached Ffmpeg process. Generate image from FF. Where is the CMD? Oh, config Rtmp Server trans Ffmpeg. I like this cron job. That's why they use this spawn. No, spawn is for creating the command, I guess. Retrieve active strings from NMS IP and generate thumbnails. Oh, that was it. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, so let's see. Functionality to fetch live streaming data. We did it, right? We created this functionality. Okay, let's forget about the front end part for now. Let's focus on the back end. What should we do now? Do we need an authentication? So authentication serves as a purpose. We do need authentication, right? And for that we will need to use a database, and for that he is using MongoDB. Should we use MongoDB or stick with PostgreSQL? I don't know. If I use PostgreSQL, it will be a good challenge to make it to work with this tutorial, or else I will be just copying and pasting, which is not good for learning. Should I use Postgres? I don't know. Even if I use Postgres, we can still use this same function to create password and these things. Maybe we should not provide a local authentication strategy where the user has to provide a password. Maybe we can use login with Google or something. it will be easier. Or not. We'll use the local strategy. And he is using EJS templates for login and registration, but will provide the same functionality in the front end only, right? So for that, we won't be calling render functions directly like this one, render login, but we will just provide the endpoints. But you know what? So when we create this API to generate key or something, where was it? I think it is this one. Yeah, this one, issuing streaming keys. So ensure logged in, connect, ensure login. Let's check this module. What does it do? With passport. Huh. No, that's not complicated. We won't use this to ensure login. We'll just use plain passport functions. Okay. So what are the to-dos? Create user authentication functionality. Use passport for that. Create passport local strategy. And you know what? I'm going to stick with PostgreSQL, I think. Postgres will be great. What else? Do I need to store the live stream? No. No. For now. No. What kind of models do I need to create? Well, I will need a user model, right? Yeah, user model and streams. Yeah, we can store all the streams, you know. By streams, I mean the title of the stream and the tags. That's what we'll be saving to the database. Yeah, stream table. C for user model, we'll be having a username, email, password, and a stream key. For stream, it will be an array of all the streams, but a stream will have a title and yeah, title and date is okay. We can have tags as well, tags, so that in future we can use, you know, filter using tags. What else? Right, this is it for this stream. All right, we'll start implementing this other features in the next stream. All right, then I will see you guys in the next stream. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.